Let's get a chant for him. Spec you lose. Spec you lose. Spec you lose. Spec you lose. He's on a mission, a man with a mission. This is gonna be our last song. If you guys know these words, I don't care where you are. I don't care if you're all the way in the back, if you're in the sides, or if you're in the front row. If you guys know these words, we just need to hear you. This last song is called Engine 45.